Mahavamsa, the Great Chronicle of Sri Lanka, covering the period 6th century BCE to 1815 CE. In June 2023, UNESCO Heritage Council listed Mahāvansam, the Great Chronicle of Sri Lanka, as its Memory of the World Registry. 1992, UNESCO launched the Memory of the World Register, a great collection of documents, manuscripts, oral traditions, audio-visual materials, library and archival holdings of universal value. Inscription on the register leads to improved conservation of the documentary heritage by calling upon the program's networks of experts to exchange information and raise resources for the preservation, digitization and dissemination of the material. The program also uses technology to provide wider accessibility and diffusion of the items inscribed on the register. Sri Lankan Mahavamsa. The Great Chronicle of Sri Lanka is one of the world's longest unbroken historical accounts. The Mahavamsa is the first of its kind in South Asia, initiating a mature historiographic tradition, presenting Sri Lanka's history in chronological order from the 6th century BCE. Mahavamsa covers unbroken history from the arrival of Prince Vijaya in the 6th century to the British occupation in 1815 of Ceylon, now Sri Lanka. It is the only such document to be found in Southeast Asia, and it is only behind the old Chronicles of China. The authenticity of the facts provided in the document has been confirmed through archaeological research conducted in Sri Lanka and India. It is an important historical source in South Asia, containing crucial information about the lifetime of the Buddha, the Emperor Asoka, and the rise of Buddhism as a world religion. The existence of the number of manuscripts of Mahavamsa in several countries, as well as the transliteration and translation of the text to several Southeast Asian and European languages, stand testimony to its immense historical, cultural, literal, linguistic and scholarly values. The original documents, which are written in Ola leaves, are available at the Peradeniya University Library of Sri Lanka.
Come to an emotionally charged lounge experience. Ya Sri Lanka, the wanderest tourist paradise in Asia. If you like to know more about Sri Lanka, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.